Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you're interested in trading, then you are on the right side of YouTube, because here on this channel we have trading sessions together. My trading sessions are very educational and useful, and if you feel struggle and if you don't feel confident yet in trading, I really advise you to stay and learn something new. Today we are going to trade with the tool. Today we'll use indicator. What kind of indicator and how to work with that, I will tell you right now. So guys, today I want to trade with you using Awesome Oscillator indicator. This tool is located at the bottom of the screen and is represented by a histogram of red and green columns. I will start today with $44 and I will try to increase this amount to $10,000. I will use 15 seconds time frame. I will open deals from 1 to 2 minutes. Everything will depend on the situation. So guys, make sure you will watch this video till the end. Perhaps you will know, you want to know how to work with this indicator. Also, you will learn how to choose entry points to rely on the indicator, and then you can apply this knowledge on your own trading sessions, guys, and of course to earn. So guys, let's get started and find the first entry point. As you can see here, our chart began to go up with an impulse. At the same time, the zero level of the histogram crossed from the bottom up on the indicator. It tells us about the strength of the market. Therefore, I will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. As you can see, the price gradually continues to go up. This way we managed to close our first deal with the profit. Amazing, guys. And as we see further, the price has slowed down a little. On the oscillator, we see that the new peak of the histogram turned out to be lower than the previous one. This suggests that the price is likely to decrease. Therefore, let's open a deal down for 1 minute. And so, as we can see, we managed to take a small downward movement and make money on this, guys. So, as you can see, this time the indicator didn't let us down and gave us a good signal. So guys, let's continue and choose another situation. Here the price from the uptrend came to the sideways. For quite a long time it moved inside the sideways, but now there is a breakdown of its lower boundary. And as you can see, new columns also appear in red, and they are longer. So guys, in such situation, I will open a deal to go up, to go down. I think the price will continue to fall. As you can see, the chart continues to go down, thus our deal closed with the profit, guys, and we earned. Now let's find the next entry point. Okay, as you can see, the price has been moving in an uptrend here lately, and each new minimum turns out to be higher than the previous one. We also had an intersection of the zero level histogram from bottom to top, which indicates that the price will continue to rise. Therefore, let's open a deal up for 2 minutes. And so, as we see this time, the indicator showed us a good entry point. We managed to take a big upward move and make a profit on this, guys. As we can see, the price comes to the level of the last maximum and moves a little higher. At the same time, the histogram is located above zero on the indicator, and the green columns became even longer. This indicates the strength of the market, so I suggest to open a deal again up for a minute. As you can see, our deal closed above the entry point and the price updates the maximum, so guys, we earned. Let's see what the market situation is next and choose the next entry point. As you can see, guys, the price forms each new minimum above the previous one. It shows the strength of the market. The overall trend is upward, therefore I would like to open a deal up. As you can see on the chart, there was a pullback with impulsed red candles, and the price starts to pay off a little bit again. we also see that there is still enough distance to the last maximum where the price can rise. At the same time, the histogram on the oscillator is still below zero, and the columns are very short. As soon as a column above zero appears, I think this is a great moment to open a deal up. I choose 2 minutes for the transaction time, so that in case of correction the chart will have time to go above our entry point. I think the price will continue to rise. As you can see, as a result, the price has slowed down a little here, but it continued to gradually go up. The chart didn't reach the previous maximum, but still we managed to take a small upward movement and make a profit, guys. Let's look at the following situation. As you can see, an uptrend is relevant here. Most of the time, the histogram is above zero. The new column appears green and it is longer than the previous one. This is a buy signal. Therefore, I go with my entire deposit up. As you can see, the entry point was chosen perfectly, the chart continued to go up, and we managed to make money on this deal, guys. We are on our way to our trading goal. Just check out my balance now. We already made a big profit from my initial deposit. So guys, let's continue. As you can see here, the price moved in an uptrend and came to the sideways position, which it has been in for a long time. The chart comes to the upper limit of the indicator, from which I decide to go down. Because I think that the price, like last time, will make a pullback from the upper limit. In such a situation, we don't pay attention to the indicator or work with it opposite way. That is when crossing the histogram of the zero level. From the bottom up, we don't go up. But guys, we have to go down. We use this approach precisely because the chart moves sideways. As you can see, this time of the transaction is not the most successful. The price rebounded from the upper limit, but then came back to test it. And the next bounce was very small. Nevertheless, we managed to close below the entry point and we made a profit, guys. And since we see further minimums, each one is higher than the previous one, and also the price updates the maximum, it shows the strength of the trend. Perhaps now the chart will come out of the sideways and go higher. We also had an intersection of the zero level histogram from bottom to top, and each new peak turns out to be higher than the previous one. All this, guys, indicates the strength of the trend. Therefore, I will open a deal up with $4,000 for 2 minutes. So as you can see, the price updates the maximum and goes beyond the upper limit of the sideways more strongly. Thus, our deal closed above the entry point, guys, and we earned. Further, the market situations as is follows. The price makes a pullback to the upper boundary of the sidewall, which is now the support level. The price rebounds from this level. We get a new peak slightly higher than the previous one, and a longer new column of green appears. So guys, all of this indicates the strength of the market. Therefore, I suggest to go with $6,000 up for 2 minutes. So my script is working out fine. We managed to make a good upward movement here, guys, and we made a profit from this deal. Of course, there is no any other option, and as you can see, we now have almost $13,000 on my balance, and this is the end of my trading because, as you remember, our goal for today was $10,000, and that's it, guys. I'm going to leave the market. This is the end of our trading session. That's it for today, Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Also, if you might notice, to work with this indicator is quite simple and it also helps you to find good entry points. Of course, don't forget that you shouldn't rely only on indicator, you also have to analyze the overall market situations at the moment. And only to combine these two things you will definitely succeed. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video and leave a comment if you like this video or not. Also, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals. Guys, if you want to get them super easy, text me code word signal on my Telegram. All the links will be down below. I wish you to have a successful trading. See you in the next video. Bye!